So we bought this Bedlore mattress cover to be able to protect our beds in all of our Airbnb rentals. Because it's in an Airbnb, we have no idea what these mattresses are going to be subjected to. So we wanted to make sure we had something that was a good enough quality to maintain our mattresses. We ended up going with this dark gray in hopes that it would make it a little bit more stain resistant. I also like, you can hear, it's a pretty quiet mattress protector that goes underneath all your linens. I'm gonna pour a little bit of water just to see how waterproof it is. And you can see it's literally just beating up on top of this mattress cover, even though it's like really soft and not crinkly. It seems to be doing its job, which is great. So even though we haven't actually rented out this Airbnb unit yet, I am pretty pleased with this mattress cover. It seems to be doing the job, and I look forward to using it in all of our rentals.